What's up, guys? It's Matt here, MJ's Garage, and just want to let you guys know we got the ram back, we got the step fixed, and we also got that front filter bypass put in. So we're going to check it out on what we got going on real quick. So let's dive into the hood and check it out, see what's the changes been done. So it is going to be a little challenging getting the camera down in there, but I'm going to do the best I can. You can see we have right here on the down horn, we have the EGR delete on the block off, and it's not the best shot of that Fleece performance bypass filter in the front. There is a cable right there. I did not install this myself. I had a buddy of mine did it. It's just so much easier, but just to show you from the top view, it eliminates that front filter and you don't have to worry about changing that one out anymore. And the only way you can do that, obviously, if you have another filter somewhere else. And we already have our Fass system set up down there on the dual fuelers. I just want to let everybody know we did get the step fixed under warranty. That was taken care of for us. So if you did get to see that video, what they did is just change the motor out. These are the factory power steps by Ram, by Mopar, I should say. So they have held up since they were new. It's just if you don't have that extended warranty, you better make sure to be ready to pay out of pocket. Want to just point out the reason why I went with the Fleece Performance instead of the Fass setup is because Fleece has been out for over 8 years. And they've been tried and true, and they've been running these on all their Cummins. So if you're looking at putting a filter bypass, I'm not sitting here judging Fass. I'm not going to sit here and say they don't make a good product, because that's what I have. But I just went for that product because I felt like that was going to be the best bang for my buck. Hey, one thing real quick, I do want to say I appreciate all my subscribers. We finally hit that 500 mark. It's a great accomplishment. I was doing these videos just because I enjoyed to share my input and my view based on seeing everybody else posting on YouTube. I just felt like it was one avenue that I could help others in their next investment. So, hey, I appreciate you guys hitting that like button as well and subscribing. All my subscribers watching these videos. And if this is your first time, hey, don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, comment below. It helps the channel out tremendously. I'm not doing any of this for money. I'm just doing it to help others. So we do appreciate it. Have a good one.